it's Taren. Welcome back to my channel, and in this video we are unboxing and trying on my Stitch Fix finally. Okay, so probably 3 or 4 days ago my Stitch Fix came in the mail, and I came in this room to film everything, and I was filming all of the clothes, like try on portion of the video, and my freaking tripod like snapped. I don't know what happened. The top like head of it that hooks to your ring light and your camera just snapped off. So that happened. Luckily, I'd finished filming all of the clothes, so I had to wait until my first day off to go down to Best Buy and get me a new tripod, but we are back in business. You are sitting on a brand new tripod that I actually really like, and it's really nice. I'll say this, side note, YouTube is expensive because I have a camera, a monitor, a ring light, a tripod. I mean, not to mention all the money I spent on clothes. Like, you gotta love it to do it. So I don't actually have all of the clothes anymore because I had to send them back, otherwise I would have been charged for all of them. But I do have screenshots of the clothes from the app when they sent them, and then obviously me trying them on. So in this box is the items that I chose to keep. So what we'll do first is we'll go through what I kept, and then we'll show you everything else. Well, as in me. Okay, here we go. The first thing that I decided to keep is this like pretty like pop of orange sleeveless top. It's from the brand Skies Are Blue, 48 bucks, but I love this ruching on the top, and it wasn't too big. It's like flowy. It's like such a pretty color, and normally this is not something that I would gravitate towards, but we're in spring now. We're going into full-on summertime, and I thought this would be so pretty with a pair of like white skinny jeans and some wedges just in the summertime. I loved it. So this was one of the things that I chose to keep, and I'm really, really happy that I kept it because it's just like a very nice quality top. The other two things I chose to keep aren't technically clothes, so we're gonna go over those last, but now I wanna show you everything else that came in the box that I obviously, you know ahead of time, chose to not keep. The first thing is this dress. It's a really pretty dress, and it's very summery, and I get the idea. It's from the brand Wisp, and it's called the Cindy Jersey dress. It was 68 bucks. It was all right. It fit really well. It's just, it kind of gave me no shape. And I feel like being larger up top and in the bottom and maybe a little cinched in the middle, I need something that's going to kind of show that off. Otherwise, it kind of just looks like I'm wearing a paper bag. So I liked it. It just, something was a little off. So I chose not to keep that. Okay, this though, this navy kimono, I loved. I don't need another kimono. I don't even know how many. But I thought this would be really pretty if you chose to wear it over a swimsuit. Think about that now. This over a swimsuit with like a big floppy hat in the summertime would be so pretty. This is from the brand Kaylee. It's called the Mel Embroidery Detail Kimono, 48 bucks. I like it. I love the detail on it. I just didn't really need another one. Now let's talk about these shoes. I love the color. It's almost similar to this orange, but it's a little more coral. I would have kept them, 2 reasons. Number one, they were too tight on the ankle, and I felt like it was super unflattering for my leg to have something, number one, wrapped around my ankle, but number two, that tight on my ankle. And they're $79. A good pair of shoes, I know shoes are expensive if you want a good quality pair, but $79 was a little steep for me. This is the brand Tahari. This is called the Dance Perforated 3-Strap Sandal, and as I said, $79. And the last piece of clothing that came in my box are these blue jean shorts. They're from the brand Vigos. I've seen it before. I've never said it out loud, so hopefully I'm not butchering it. These are the Terrence Distressed Frayed Hem Bermuda Shorts, 48 bucks. I love the wash. However, I'm not a fan of Bermuda shorts. That's the only reason I didn't keep them. I think I'm tall, but I would rather have shorts that are a little bit shorter. I did roll them too to kind of give them a different look, thinking, okay, if they're rolled, maybe they'll be as short as I want them. Not my style. As I said, Bermuda shorts aren't for me. They aren't meant to be rolled, so it kind of made that roll super thick on my leg and uncomfortable. So those are a no-go as well. Now let's talk about the other 2 things I chose to keep. Stitch Fix has something now called extras, and that means you can add bras, panties, like tank tops. I believe they have some shapewear. It's like an undergarment type extra that you can add. So you can add these to your box, get them in, and if you like them, then you buy them. It's like the same idea. You don't have to buy them ahead of time. So what I did was I asked for 2 pair of underwear, a black basic pair, and then this like cranberry colored thong, and then I also got a bra, but let me show you. So let's talk about these underwear first. I have not worn them, so don't be weirded out. This is I guess they're more of like a berry color. These are the thongs. I got them in a size 2X. This is what they look like. They still have this on them. They come with this like little piece of safety so that you know it's safe and that no one's worn them, and it's a little more sanitary. But what's the brand? It says Every Day by Stitch Fix, and I love that there's no tag. I love that. So this is the berry color, and then here's oh, there's a tag. Okay, I guess you could cut that off though. All right, here's the black pair. These are not thongs. These are just straight up black panties. These are in a size 2X as well. So I'm holding these up, obviously, so I chose to keep these two. I love these. They're soft. They don't ride down. They don't ride up. I am in love with these. I haven't worn them yet, like I said. I did try them on to make sure that they were worth keeping before I actually spent my money on them. But I wanted to show you first before like I threw them in the wash. I always wash underwear that I buy before I wear it for the first time. So before I threw it in the wash and worn them, these are $10 a piece. So these are a great, great deal. A steal if you ask me, for 10 bucks. The other thing that came that I asked for was a bra. I don't even really know what to say about it. You're looking at it right now, obviously not on me because I'm trying to not be inappropriate, but I'm bigger up top. So I think this is a size 38 or 40 double D, and it's no padding. It has underwire, but the fabric part of the bra comes really high up. So you really don't have an opportunity for any cleavage or anything. It's extremely full coverage. It's like a silky material, which is great. It's really soft. It's just not my style, and it's not something that I would wear. Plus, I think, yeah, it was $65. So I passed on the bra. I ended up keeping, as I've said, these two pair of underwear and this orange shirt, and I'm really happy about it. Actually, for next month, I've already asked for, I think I picked, these only come in black, tan, and berry. Same for these. And I think I asked for all the other colors in each of these for my next box because I want them. I want to keep them, and I love them, and I'm so happy that they're doing these extras. That was the only bra that I found in my size that they had listed, so I won't opt for bras or anything like that again. But I love the underwear, and they're 10 bucks a piece. So if you're interested, check it out for 10 bucks. I mean, they're really great underwear. So as always, I will leave a link to Stitch Fix down below if you're interested in signing up, or if you have already signed up using my link. Thank you so much. I'd love to know what you think about your pieces that you've gotten. So find me on Instagram or Snapchat and let me know if you've enjoyed Stitch Fix, because I really love it. I don't even know how many months I've been doing it. I feel like this is probably number 6 to 8 at least. And I've loved it. I've loved all of them. So I have a really great stylist, and I'm very happy with it. So the link will be down below. Click on it, check it out. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.